Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro-US dollar, I'm definitely still very bullish. I still think this is either going to make a running flat wave C or an expanding flat wave C. If it is a running flat, then it would likely go up to the 100 or the 123. If it really is an expanding flat, then it would actually likely go all the way up to the 168 or higher, and most likely take out these previous highs. Either way, should lead to a pretty big uptrend on the shorter time frames. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I still think this is the end of a wave 2. I still think this right here is a 1. I think this is a WXY of 2, and I still believe that we are in a wave 3, which I think on these very high time frames will continue to make higher highs, higher lows. Wave 3 of C, either expanding or running flat. Heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this has definitely been going down pretty strong, as you can see, but there's no break of structure. There's really no significant lower high. I personally still think that this needs to go up to around these highs just to end off this section of trend. I think it's going to end up looking something like this, and this will most likely be a wave 1 of that wave 3 on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I do have my Fibonacci retracement on this because like I was saying yesterday, I feel like this right here could be the wave 5. If that is the wave 5, then this could be the wave A, and this move up could actually be a crescent to this move down, which means if this makes 3 waves up to a Fibonacci level, makes an impulsive engulfing move to the downside, you definitely want to exit your longs and go short, because at that point it would prove that it's an ABC crescent, and it would prove that we need to possibly go short for the wave C or patiently wait for the end of the wave C to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, so like I mentioned yesterday and today, is that this actually could be a wave A right here. If this is a wave A, then that would be a crescent to this move right here. So that means that this potentially could be a wave A of B. This could potentially make a wave B of B and then back up for a wave C of B. So if you do see 3 waves up to a Fibonacci retracement level, then you see a nice big engulfing move to the downside, especially if you can identify a break of structure. That is what would tell me that this is a wave B, and that's what would tell me that you need to get out of your short longs and go short for the bigger wave C. Now we don't really know that this is going to happen. The trend is definitely up on all the higher time frames, so I mean it could potentially not break structure and just keep on making higher highs, higher lows, and still be part of that big wave 1 of wave 3, like I was mentioning on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live analysis and trading sessions that I do daily, where I cover every single pair on this list every single day. Then you also get access to all my swing/day trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.